Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing a post-budget webinar on reaching the last mile today, said the more emphasis one puts on good governance, the more easily the goal of reaching the last mile will be accomplished. In Belagavi, the Prime Minister will release the 13th installment amount of 16,800 crore rupees under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Yojana to benefit 8 crore farmers. More than 44% polling recorded in assembly elections in Meghalaya till 1 p.m. Nagaland registers over 58.775 voter turnout. The Delhi High Court today upheld the validity of the Agnipat military recruitment scheme. In Maharashtra, Union Minister for Women and Child Development and Minority Affairs, Smriti Zubin Irani, inaugurated a two-day Women 20 Inception meeting today at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar.